Hey everyone, so had a very busy from the last time I saw you, just going nonstop. But I was watching girls do their thing, and I decided to do like a rainbow kind of look. I just put goth white as a base, or yeah, a base. So I'm going to start out with the orange color. I'm going to start out with this intense bright orange right there. It's almost a shame. You don't want to ruin the ghosts. It's almost a shame, but I took pictures of the palette for what I'm going to just watch this tomorrow. But I took pictures of the palette before I ruined it. I know this is going to be a mess, but let's start with this color. And then I'm gonna go with that pink right there. Then I'm going to go with the purple. And I'm bringing it up, I'm putting it on the outer third and then bringing it up as the contour color or the crease color. And I'm going to use my Waka 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 brush and put it in that beautiful white frosty color there. See how this goes. Oh, look at that. You could probably use that as a highlighter for the face, not just for your eyes. Without putting any more color on the brush, I'm just trying to blend that. I know I'm gonna have to do some cleanup under the eyes. I just want to show you what I'm gonna do on the bottom. I'm gonna put some white on the bottom. And I'm going to dip into the yellow. It's Pac-Man. I took off the foundation from under my eyes, but I really want this to look nice. Okay, so I'm going to go in the inner corner. I'm going to go halfway because there's no green in here, so I want to see if I can get the blue in there. I'm gonna go into that nice pretty dark blue and go on the outer edge. And basically that looks kind of like a turquoise or an aqua color. Just gonna pick some of that out and kind of just put it in the middle right there. And have it mixed with the blue and the yellow. So it'll look more green. Mixing it with the blue will make it look, you know, more green or dark. Now, I'm not going to use their bronzer because it looks very shimmery. I'm going to go, let me see. I'm going to go with this pink color right here. And I'm going to use the big Waka Waka brush. I think this is for like face powder, but I'm going to use it for the blush. Yeah, you can see all my dark circles over here, but just want to give you an idea. Okay. Alright, that's the blush. I'm gonna go in this. This is called a blush palette. Blush palettes, but let's see if it's a little too dark or not. I may have to soften it, but let's just see how that looks. So, you know, it comes with the little cover here. All right, let's see how this turns out. All right, let's see. Okay. A little warm, like a little strong, but shimmery. But it is kind of warm. It is kind of dark. I'm gonna dip it in that color right there. Yeah, that softened it a little bit. That softened it a little bit. So I'm going to finish my makeup and then I'll come back and show you the lips. Hey everyone. So supposedly, I think the pink and the orange were liquid lipsticks, not matte, just liquid lipsticks. And supposedly, so the pink and the red were liquid lipsticks and the blue and the orange were glosses. I was watching some videos and some girl, and you know, the girl I was watching, a couple of girls said, these are opaque and these are sheer. But these just say lip gloss on them. I'm gonna go with the red and I think I'm gonna put the blue over it. See what happens. I already used the scrub, which did have a light green apple taste, and I already put the cherry lip balm, which a light cherry taste. Let's see what happens here. So this is the red alone, and it is opaque. As a matter of fact, let me swatch it on my hand so you can see the difference. It's actually a pretty opaque blue, but it's sheer at the same time, whereas the red is not sheer. I was trying to make a purple. I think I succeeded. So this is the finished look with all the products except for the bronzer, which next week I'm gonna use it, but it's very shimmery, and I don't think it's a like a contouring type bronzer. I think it's more like a blush type bronzer. So I think I'm gonna try it next week and see how that goes. And so next week I'm gonna use probably the bottom colors here, and I'll probably do these three colors, and I'll probably use these three colors next week right here, make it a little bit more neutral, and then wear the pink with the orange. So yeah, so that's the Pac-Man look.